Hello beautiful people, my name is Yola and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm currently traveling in Puerto Rico, baby. And I did end up in a rut, so if you want to know what happened, go back and watch probably 2 to 3 videos ago. You guys, it's a new day and I didn't intend to vlog, but I just want to show you guys what I'm literally watching. It's pouring rain. I am on the basketball court and these kids are playing soccer on the basketball court. And it's just so entertaining and refreshing to watch. So I'm just gonna show you guys it. Hello you guys, it's a new day. I'm checking in just to let you guys know that I haven't really done much today. Yeah, I uploaded today, but I'll check in with you guys on another day when I'm doing something more exciting, more fun, or when I'm more busy. Hello you guys, it's a new day and I've decided that it's time to touch up my bleach. You see how it's grown in all over? The color's not as rich. Now, I don't know how much bleach I have. I don't think I have a lot, but I tried to part out the front part of my hair to the best of my ability. I honestly had help last time, so it's okay if I do the best that I can. I'm not really looking for excuse me, I'm not really looking for
even toned here because I'm not a professional, and I literally just want a refresher of the blonde. Like, I want my hair to be blonder. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing and how it turns out. Today was a good day. It actually was hot this morning, so I went on a walk and I went around the city, and then this afternoon it started pouring. So when it was pouring rain and I was hot from the morning, it resulted in me taking a nap. I wouldn't even call that a nap. It resulted in me knocking out. So now it's like midnight and I'm awake. There's the bleaching kit. I have some developer too. And then I have a little bowl and a spoon, and I'm just gonna mix it up, whip it up, and put it in my hair. So this is how it's looking. This is all I have. I think it'll be enough. It's gonna be a little haphazardous, but I'm gonna use this as a glove, like this. So I also decided to go ahead and throw in my armpits, cause why not? When it comes to bleaching, I be a little scared. Like, I don't want my hair to break, and I don't want to look crazy. But even if I look crazy, I'm gonna still be cute, and at least the pop of my color will be fresh again, and I will feel like that girl, because I am very much that girl. I'm the girl that you see from a mile away. Muy chocolate with blonde hair in the front. Oh, actually, it's already turning. Can you guys see that? Yo, only people who would really know me would understand, like, that when it comes to like decorating myself in any way, I love it. I love it. It could really be like the Libra in me. Like, I get bored with certain stuff. Like I haven't dyed my hair in about 2 months, and it grew back. And ever since it grew back, I've been wanting to bleach it. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna bleach it at this time, or at this time, or this time, or I'm gonna wait for this, and that. And I'm like, girl, if you don't just go ahead. And sometimes I feel like I gotta wait for when I really have that urge in me where I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the dang thing. And today, I had that urge. This is the end result. I'm leaving some conditioner in because I don't want it to be dry. And then, blonde armpits. Ah, I love it. I feel refreshed, and yeah.
So I didn't even see this hopscotch, but I ended up coming outside. I'm gonna show you what's happening. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.